Let me tell you something about my Chevy Silverado. Chevys are strong, dependable, and they'll roundhouse kick forward right in the mouth. Chevy Silverados are made out of thunderstorms, Bruce Lee movies. Chevy Silverados are built tough, tougher than Tech Sergeant Chris Robinson. Chevys come with a Vortec engine, made out of real tornadoes. Difference between Chevy and Ford: Chevy owners get Ford owners, Uncle Rick, and a cabin in Gatlinburg. A lot. Why did I get a Chevy Silverado? That answer's simple. I don't sell. Ford is synonymous with big fucking piece of shit. Take the F and put it at the beginning. Take the B, turn it into an O. Take the P, turn it into an R, and take the S and turn it into a D. Is that a coincidence? I think not. Standard Ford will go for about 200,000 miles. Chevy Silverado, well, they go infinity miles. Chevy, your mom in one.
That's the truck right in the middle of... That's the truck right in the middle of your screen on its side. Look at that. Storm chaser Brian Empfinger captured that video. Thankfully, the driver in the truck made it through the storm.